Hey guys, welcome back. It's Heather from Tomatoes, Puppies, and Everything Gardening. So I had to run errands today in town and do all this stuff. So I was near the greenhouse, the one I said I was going to boycott. Well, I knew they were having a 50% off their perennials. So I let my boycott go for a little bit and I went, I bought a few things. So just three little plants. They were all half price. So let's go have a look because I'm really excited. One of them I wanted all summer, like it was a new plant for this year. I saw it in the spring when I was there, and I had a sticker shock with all the price increases, and I said, I'm never going to shop here again. Well, I went and I bought it because it's beautiful, half price. I'm okay with that. Let's go have a look. All right, so here we are. Here are the three plants that I bought. They're perennial, all three of them. But first, let me show you this licorice basil because I think it's so pretty. It just caught my eye. It's just now starting to flower. This is just a self-seeded. It's either Thai or licorice basil. It just keeps self-seeding itself. It's possible it could be a cinnamon basil, but I'm pretty sure it is licorice. It smells so good. It smells just like licorice. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Here they are. Half price. Still, probably too expensive, but they're perennial. They will last a really long time. So let's start with my only full sun selection. And I had to have it because I have a thing for hardy hibiscus. And I don't know, did you just see this gorgeous hardy hibiscus flower? I collect hardy hibiscus. I've never seen this variety, and I don't have it. It's called Marshmallow Moon. I mean, that is just super duper stunning. It is pure white. All parts of the flower are pure white. I did see some blooming. I could have picked a plant that had blooms already open, but I'm like, why don't I pick one that is just starting to develop so that I can get it planted, get it happy and healthy, and then it can flower. So I got that. That was half of 19. And then I got a new perennial geranium or cranesbill. And this is what it looks like. It's purple. Bevan's variety, but it's a really deep, pretty purple. Now, if you look in this pot, there are so many plants I can divide this into. Probably like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to say at least 7, 8, 9. Not sure I'll divide it that much. I may just score it into thirds, but we can definitely divide that before we plant it. This cannot be divided. This is just a single stalk. Now, moving on. This is what I wanted. This is what I was hoping they would still have in stock. And they did. It was still in stock. They actually had about 4, maybe 5. Isn't it stunning? It is called Dark Side of the Moon Astilbe. It's from Proven Winners. I'm thinking this is the first year it's been available for sale. But I'm not sure. It's just stunning. So pretty. I picked this one because it looks like I can divide this in half. This pot will get divided directly in half. I will pot up half and maybe plant half somewhere in the garden. Alright, so those are the 3 plants I bought today on clearance. I will go show you where I am going to put this stunning, beautiful marshmallow moon hardy hibiscus. And then we'll have to go in the backyard for these 2 guys because these are part of my shade garden collection. So let's go look where we're putting this one. And this is one of my front flower beds in the front yard. And I am thinking, hello Mr. Bee. Oh, there's another bee and another bee. All right, I am thinking either this pot right here with that guy. But I'm thinking no, because it gets really dry. Most hibiscus like to have, access to moisture. They don't want to be damp and like sitting in wet soil, but they want moist, well-draining soil. So I'm thinking that pot right back there will be the perfect spot because they can take a little part sun too. So 99% sure this is where we're going to put him. But I need to go change before we try to get in here because here's my watermelon And I've got vines everywhere. And it looks like the bunny has been eating the leaves on my watermelon. So I'm going to have to do something about that. But in order to get back there, I have to crawl through all this. I would rather have long pants on. So we'll just leave him right here for now. The soil is relatively moist, so I think he'll be okay right there. Now for these two guys, we are going to look in the backyard. Oh, there's Tonto. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Okay. I was thinking maybe in this pot. But I'm actually thinking, let me go see. Give it a little more shade. And what about, I have to watch where I'm walking. Tonto just went potty out here recently. Yes, here we go. I relocated this silver Japanese fern to this pot. And I'm thinking, what if I put, see how it has purple? Can you see the purple? It's stunning and gorgeous. I love that fern. Let's do this. Let's do this. What do y'all think? I think that looks really stunning. Really, really pretty. And remember, this is getting divided in half. This is getting divided by, like, I don't know, at least quartered or third. So I think those three together are going to look beautiful. I'm just going to leave them right there. I'm not going to pot them today because I'm still in non-gardening clothes. But I want to just show you. This is also a cranesbill, and I need to relocate him. He's not happy. He is not happy. And I do have some more perennial cranesbill. Ooh, I got another eggplant getting ready. It is right. Well, first I want to show you this Mexican petunias. Look at them. I am absolutely in love with them, and they are a keeper forever in my garden. I have one in container. Actually, this was just one pot, and I divided it into 4 sections. Put 3 here, 1 in the pot. So, I also have perennial cranesbill here. And it's happy in these containers for the most part. Just have to remember to water them, and you know, a little bit of food here and there. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead. Also, this is a stilby. So I have a stilby, the cranesbill, and they're done flowering. They're not flowering right now. And then, of course, impatiens are taking over. It's so pretty. I'm going to post some pictures at the end of this little clip of what I saw today at the garden center. Lots and lots of gorgeous things. Hope you enjoy seeing those. If you have any comments about any of the plants I got today, just post below, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.